Hi, future doctors. Welcome to the next class. Already we were discussing about equipotential surface and relation between electric field intensity and this potential. So we said in this class we will discuss some problems on electric field intensity and potential. They will give potential and they will ask some problems on that potential and from that potential how to calculate electric field intensity. Let us assume. So V is equal to, potential is equal to X, Y, Z. Then find electric field intensity at 0, comma 0, comma 0. Electric field intensity at 0, comma 0, comma 1. So find electric field intensity at 0, comma 1, comma 1. Electric field intensity at 1, comma 1, comma 1, like this. Anything they will ask. All these we can find in a simple way, but you people should differentiate this V. That is nothing but partial differentiation. So how we will write electric field intensity means, because electric field intensity is vector quantity. So Ex I cap plus Ey j cap plus Ez k cap. So from this, what is Ex? Ex is nothing but minus dou V by dou X. Ey is nothing but minus dou V by dou Y. Ez is nothing but minus dou V by dou Z. So how we will do Ex now? So just we have to place minus dou by dou X of what is V they gave? V they gave X, Y, Z. Therefore, X, Y, Z. So how to do partial differentiation for this means? So here we are doing with respect to X. Therefore, remaining YZ constant. So minus YZ dou X by dou X. Dou X by dou X is going to be 1. Therefore, final answer is minus YZ. Same like that. What is minus dou V by dou Y? So again, minus dou by dou Y of. So what is V now? Again, V is X, Y, Z. X, Y, Z. Now we are doing with respect to Y. Therefore, you have to keep constant xz. Minus xz dou y by dou y is going to be 1. Therefore, minus xz. So with that logic, directly you can say the answer for this. Because with respect to z we are doing. Therefore, what you will get? Minus xy. Isn't it? Just with our common sense, we wrote this last one. Because this is xyz. If some squares are there, it will be different. At that time, you should do. Now, Ex value minus yz. Ey value minus xz. Ez value minus xy. Put all these values in this equation. Now, what is Ex we got? Ex is minus yz. What is Ey? Minus xz, j cap. Ez is minus xy, k cap. So now see, if you want to calculate E bar at 0, 0, 0. So what is 0, 0, 0 means x, y, z. Now x, y, z, if you put 0, all zeros we are going to get. 0 I cap, 0 j cap, minus 0 k cap. Therefore, final answer is 0. So if you want to find this, second one. So E bar of 0, 0, 1. So z value you have to keep it 1. So where z is there, there you have to keep it 1. So therefore, y into z, 0 into 1. This first one. So y into z means 0 I cap. X into z means 0 into 1, 0. 0 j cap. So x into y, this is also already 0. 0 k cap. Therefore, that is also 0. Here also 0, here also 0. Now see this last one. E bar at 1, 1, 1. So therefore, what we have to write now? 1 into 1. So minus I cap, minus j cap, minus k cap. Sometimes they will ask, what is the magnitude of electric field intensity? Now, what is the magnitude means? Root of minus 1 square plus minus 1 square plus minus 1 square. Therefore, how much you will get means root 3 Newton per Coulomb. Correct? So this is magnitude. This is nothing but electric field intensity. This is simple one we did by giving x, y, z. Now, if they give potential, let us assume V is equal to x square y z. Then what is, first of all, Ex? Directly I am writing minus dou V by dou x. Minus dou by dou x of. So what is V now? V is nothing but x square y z. Now keep yz constant. Dou x square by dou x. What you will get means 2x. This is like differentiation. Derivative of x square. 2x. So minus 2x y z. Like that Ey. Ey is equal to minus dou v by dou y. So minus dou by dou y of. What is v now? V is going to be again x square y z. Now what is constant now? X square z is constant. X square z is constant. Dou y by dou y is going to be again 1. Like that Ez. Ez is nothing but minus dou v by dou z. Minus dou by dou z of. So x square y z. So x square is x square y is common minus dou z by dou z is 1. Therefore minus x square y. So now after getting this, E bar is equal to, now what is Ex? Minus 2xyz. What is Ey? I cap. Ey is minus x square z j cap minus x square y k cap. So in this, so I am not visible, maybe power gone now, therefore, but you can do the problem, it will be visible for you. Therefore, try to continue without wasting your and my time also. So E bar, if you want to calculate, this is nothing but a vector quantity. Now if you want to find E bar at 1 comma 1 comma 1, now xyz value is 1. At that time, what you people will get? Xyz value 1 means first one minus 2i cap here, minus j cap here, 1 if you substitute, minus k cap. Then what is the magnitude of E bar? Root of minus 2 whole square, minus 1 whole square, minus 1 whole square. Because squares are coming, you don't need to take minus, directly you can take. So 4 plus 1 plus 1. So that is going to be root 6 Newton per Coulomb. So isn't it? So like this you can do n number of problems. So let us assume V is equal to xy plus yz plus zx they will give. At the time, first we have to calculate Ex minus dou V by dou x. Now minus dou V by dou x means minus dou by dou x of, what is V now? V is xy plus yz plus zx. They can give anything, but you should practice all the models. So whenever you are doing this, first what we will keep constant y. So minus y, because dou x by dou x is 1. In this there is no x, therefore this term is going to become 0. In this, again you will take common z, dou x by dou x is 1, therefore minus z. Therefore final answer is minus y minus z. Next, Ey. So Ey is going to be minus dou by dou y of. So same thing we will calculate. Xy plus yz plus zx. Now what we have to do means with respect to y we have to do. In this x constant minus x. This minus we are multiplying. In this there is no y is there. Therefore minus z. In this there is no y. Whenever y is not there, it is going to become 0. In partial differentiation, it is going to become 0. Therefore, minus x minus z. Now, Ez minus dou by dou z of. So, xy plus yz plus zx. Now, what you people will get? So, now, with respect to z, you people are going to do. In this, there is no z. Therefore, it will become 0. Next, in this, z is there. Dou z by dou z is 1 minus y. In this, X is there, dou z by dou z is 1 minus x. So finally, Ex is means E bar is nothing but not Ex. So final one we will write E bar. Now what is E bar means? E bar is going to be, what is Ex? Minus y minus z. Minus y minus z I cap. This is plus minus x minus z k cap plus minus y minus x k cap. No power came, therefore no problem. So for your screen may be visible, therefore you can continue. Now E bar where you are going to calculate. E bar if you want to calculate at 1 comma 1 comma 1, because at 0 all these will be 0. 1 comma 1 comma 1 means all ones you have to keep. Then minus 1 minus 1. Minus 2 I cap, minus 2 j cap, minus 2 k cap. Then what is the magnitude of E bar? Root 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. So 3 times of 2 square. So root 3 times 2 Newton per coulomb. So like this we can do n number of problems. So this V, they may give anything. So V is going to be xy plus yz. V is going to be x square y plus y, y square x. So in this there is no z. Like that they can give anything. So E bar, they are going to ask at 0 comma 0 comma 0, 0 comma 0 comma 1, 0 comma 1 comma 1, 1 comma 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1 comma 1, like this anywhere they will ask. But just you people should practice with different potential equations. Then definitely you people are going to get. Okay. So practice more. Thank you.